55% of the votes as compared to that of the competitor, Riquelme. Also, let's establish the facts that Florentino Pérez already had the mandate not be quiet till 2029. But what I say, they can establish that fact. And onona ekokoye memasem or day say onim say this is the first time Florentino Pérez after or taking over from Laurent Sanz. This is the first time I have to Florentino Pérez swaba. Ne the wako nyina no oko on a post
since 2006.
Yes, or I mean virtually nyina no oko on a post. 81 now all testing a popularity as of course and on the most successful manager the most successful club president in the history of Real Madrid. Obia intimi compete. The trophies no waji 66 trophies. But then say only mate over football on the side. Now over the major achievements are when you talk of the Champions League. What the Champions League no ononkuwa aji 7 for Real Madrid. Inti ufe no na baba La Liga titles. Now she papa no eni manso awa achieve for Real Madrid. I mean certainly or you be a ne cloud or ne aura surrounding no. Eso. Me remfi say whatever was married e call yi. Or say accredited papa yi. Santiago Bernabeu renovation or say your credit no. Or no Emma the Madrid brand. Madrid be the richest sporting club in the world. Meaning papa yi abreso. And Real Madrid achieve saddening na. No football club. And the Champions League 3 consecutive seasons at Waso. Papa ina achieve saddening na. So say offer the level ni weight. Na papa edebe no ntina no so confident on him so. Obi ani wa even see biemu say yentu abo obetimi a contest no. Na Rich prior to say baba beto aba no. Enrique recall me. Virtually when not enough time to even prepare. Rich, on him say just 2 weeks now the campaign. Now within that 2-week period no, other problems are facing. Even bank statement are not also audible. So kaisa issue no. Rich was a problem more than 157 million euros and was ultimately represented. 2 banks 89. So say usha problems are on umbo firm with the frustrations of firm. Finally, on your opportunity in poker ababa bejina. Now usha the voter organize. Now they compare Pérez popularity. The level because Rich here kwa to a baby ana the onu aye be pain. Oye there or at an advantageous position.
They cause incumbent, you know.
Incumbent.
But I think requirement, no. I don't know. We sign a banking issue ne. Sign way no crazy. Also can say. So no Real for no to about the manner. Or the element be free city beba.
Jagen crop on so or
the can say na and a city. And a halad papa. Ebe the banking is a matter.
Sure.
O compare elections are gonna compare. Yeah, you can't say they are gonna be mount. I'm out in Real Madrid.
Yes.
And I think Emsa Hona no Shasenya trust issues.
Yes, of course.
Because Obe Prakonya.
It was
and Yama was so bad. Or the Real Madrid now. It seems as a Yano Crest. It's a Mukrano, me who so fully 11,814. I was like, wow. Do say Florentino Pérez, EBM, Oman Gab, 21,000. Ebum Kakade. But Mamusawi.
Yes.
In spite of San Yamani na Papani firm and pulling 11,000. A day na air catcher from
Rich, I want to make points I made board because Rich Unim one Oshaman the crowd timing no or the campaign impo. And the voter when you now cast or they compare. Rich clearly it's also say Florentino Pérez, their friend of reality no or say a don on him say ultimately complacent. Sanana GN say virtually about him. Madrid no just about him. Or Baffuor do everything is about him. For now, reality ever done on him. Say, look, this is even not a viable opponent. On your candidate, under normal circumstances, also Ujinam and Mumpo. It's me pre-baby. And can was say about 92% of the votes. But a massa and Rich maybe Remfi say, the amount man no enya sa vote no. Certain personalities are or use your when you using a personality like Raul Gonzalez Blanco, one say just like in politics,
he's a darling boy.
Rich, say you so be say Raul Gonzalez Blanco, your certain personalities are. Yem fa papa nyam fa the crazy obi say Nhyira Kofianan. Ye papa Kofo. Na ko election. Na sa personalities air campaign mawa. Rich said the niema ebetimi akọ ediama because these are personalities that we revere them so much. So yan limiting on yam from that Real Madrid. Now, within the context of Real Madrid, so offer Ike Casillas, Spain in its entirety were darling boy. Offer Real Madrid, and not do by Casillas in the performance war form. Now Victor Valdes, the also crown. Still, not Casillas, at home, Spain number one.
Raul Grad at a point near tagging us, the Benabao Prince.
Prince, good. And Raul Gonzalez Blanco, Ike Casillas, for personalities, you, including Fernando Hierro. These are legends of the club that the club loved so much. To reach so personality see na omo and a air campaign at the opponent. Which clearly in a way it puts you at a disadvantage. Because omo can't say more a womb. And MOB or Kwakwa to Abano, sa personality see Bemua. And Vincente del Bosque, maybe Renfi. No, so Eka. And you have Vincente del Bosque and so, and the lava in a way, Madrid supporters and so at the manner. Clearly, na papa no bet me a pulli vote. And when I reach, actually say, one, Sankara come because you be a viable candidate. And as our personalities here, I can. Air time a cheer. When him Sanka be a bit me, Sanka candidate be an enemy drew ye pa. I don't know, I want a certain pedestal. And I would dear fancy Anka Raul Gonzalez Blanco. What a picture no. Say, imagine say Raul Gonzalez Blanco and Ankebabe compete with Florentino Pérez. And I say Fernando Hierro Mubi. And Obabe compete here. Rich, what can you make say? And sa personality see eta extra. On him say anka the possibility say ni pandit me na ato no no. E was through pa. Hence the air can ye. Perhaps the past 2 seasons Real Madrid are trophyless. Now Rich, Madrid trophyless now are the past 2 seasons no. Or show me beyond just the past 2 seasons. One the man ye. Osia Barca, ne betrayers rivals. Our Spanish Primera Liga, Barca emfane yehe. Or send a left right center. Or humiliating no. Osha Barca emkra. Na Osha Madrid en swa. Or no him say wa talk Galacticos. Talk of Vini Jr., talk of Kylian Mbappé Lotain. Na oresa talent na Jude na munyina. Edruba mimpa ball nimpa omunye bimmo. Na Rich Osha ekwanya Barca. Edene faso. Not reality, no. Madrid fans, no. And yet just 2 seasons, you. Almost beyond the 2 seasons, about Champions League and so on. Madrid acquire Mfa. And to the another best right, no. Say you acquire Mfa. About La Liga and so on, and also Mfa. Mfa nature, you and betrayers rivals, so and so on. What say, ye, and Tom Fu said the pride of Madrid, no. Kwana echo. So now, Adia Bakune be a Florentino Pérez. Oh, Kabeka say in a way, renewed hope. 150 million euros. Or say, or be making sure say, or the Galactico Eba. And him say what it say no. Certainly Galactico.
Say, sa player no free Premier League neighbor or say derby. And so when they are titi say Bayern, wako and they Olise Edin commercial neighbor boss and your listen so.
Yes.
But Montaigne, it's a Fiji. I'll be pan on to my mobile.
Rich, there is one thing about Florentino Pérez. I only the won't mean taking it away from him. Sardino, where's any specialty? Said the friend of Galacticos. Me ring for saying era no first one no buy no. A honey Ricardo is still late. Sorry, a honey any this gentleman Ronaldo, the original Ronaldo, American Dalima. Sani period now or buy now. Louis Figo, a crew of fast so the Figo. Honestly, I idea a surprise you because when him Figo here no. Figo crowd granting interview. So okay, less than 72 hours. They move to Madrid. Or see me go baby. You will know how copy him. Madrid. Okay, so practice issue no. Say we betray the fans no. She me try the back. Say period now no this Zuzu Zinedine Zidane from Juve Edne by. Now Rich Juve time now offers Zidane then. Only how yes I move no. Papa a bass had no kwame respect no. Said the yes signings. Or cancel the player be aba. Jitum so bet mid naba. Zidane the no. Omo call Monaco. some masters na ya na omo ball ho no omo coin no and an personal assistant or throw on a serviette that is a tissue or throw was on or passing on to the personal assistant say on farmer Zidane na Zidane quite closer to them and or throw say would you like to play for Real Madrid and Zidane also respond they say yes then you know na or the Zidane aba be PM Real Madrid rich so say o hwe sa de na papa ni ye na o create sa Galacticos no and so wow or cyber bi mo cyber be create another Galacticos in the shape of Karim Benzema, Ricardo Izeselaite Kaka, Xavi Alonso. For Ronaldo deal ne already na ya dia na omo aya atwo da nsa no eba. Entina who sat upon be can not Karim Benzema more than Ronaldo. Yes, because na Ronaldo dia no the previous na you know any year edit to honum. But for Karim Benzema and Benzema me remfi say now Colosompiana. He was the biggest star then. And or by for Ricardo Izeselaite Kaka of course Obian in the level or the Ebai and then Xavi Alonso. So Rich, yes, Madrid are dropping. But Rich, you can say, share reality in so. Now, besides saying, when the bit me as I revive Real Madrid, as I did not call the next leveler, the answer will be at the man. I don't do an enemy say, this same man. John Way Bubu Madrid pride, you know. I on one the best side do across our level. Obian for now. That is the stark reality. So funny man. Or you'll be or promise ya untimin kasa and the promise no on deliver. And to Osha yes challenges haba. Or better say or say do baby so say image right 5% now or ton idea investor no ni na so essay Madrid from they felt say as our pride has been dented. But man no funny people overall. Honestly, there was no way Enrique Riquelme could have competed in. But now the reality has dawned on him. Say look, said the Oranje club now we are so complacent. I feel say BBI okay, Madrid faithfuls
set up.
You need to set up. And it is obvious say a free and then copy there. Certainly the first announcement best Jose Mourinho, the special one.
Madrid love no Madrid. So I could 2 seasons.
2 seasons in a row without
unje she.
No, unje.
Ye kuma de for no kan say. Almost trophies no more general grade. Okay. But Barcelona show more show man.
Another man show more. There be uti almost some Barca for ne show more akuma to mo ye momu say. Ya bomo, ya show hwe mu hwe. Enye hwe bi akeke. Ya show yie. Untimi ne yemmo. And I will show investment away. I will say Madrid there no. Or the investment are into the team. No, they compare that of Barca. I didn't know it's a Barca team in years, because reaching him proud to say Hansi Flick Urban. Also, that situation no empty say. But Flick by Nana, Bibia Edani suddenly. And it calls for worry. But this man, or the Sikaba Sager, also for now, star no ye bisa and why na. Our big star because me would do for seba on file sebi on for be am but what I say what Ibrahim Konate ba untimi describe it yes all the Denzel on fries but on fire I mean the biggest star am my on your beer sa clout no sa aura no e wo honum and I want to play be at the baby no apart from football no outside that by business because the mantra they say the most expensive players are always cheap because time now Madrid at all Cristiano Ronaldo no Obeka within some few hours, na Madrid at Canada with the presentation, how our marketing player and all that. And so one can him say the next biggest star would never ban. So the neighbor, Sanya Mani in other fan who or say ya their supporters no, a bemo must have renewed hope. Now in the way put at the pressure and attention, bebre or betrayers rival. Ya basa. So rich, Sadana Yebisano. Usha system, no say anka superstar. Okay, one. Then it should be Hurricane. Yes, no, say yeah, superstar. Then it should be Hurricane. Yeah. Okay, so anya Hurricane dear. And you san ke why? Also call Ellen Haaland. Anya Haaland so. Okay, so anya Haaland dear why? Also call Paris Saint-Germain. Na kokohe.
Ousmane
Dembele. And I said
Benja Kvaratskhelia.
Mo.
Do say die ono
Dabi onye Aisa. He's at an appreciable level. Okay. But onye Drew sir level no. Vitinha. And he won't say definitely the moment Abekasa no. Emma amount for ejire niema bebree. Say who is that biggest star? Because trust you me, within the system now, you said there near a lot of superstars. One say previously there, Obeko Ebia Ura AC Milana, Ubenya Ricardo is still like Kaka, Ubenya Xabi Alonso, Liverpool, star talent in and stars in Ubenya Obekolo Championne, Karim Benzema, Elho. And so now we can at least a maninya di bebre say yeah guess bebre. But for now, Rich City enjoy. Also the Neben today, Shevchenko, Abusha from Otisho. I say, oh, message be out the Master Zando. Okay. I say, your advice for Florentino Pérez is spot on. But just say some a second coming is the beginning of Florentino Pérez downfall. Pep is coming back to Barcelona to hand Jose Mourinho. Now to my question. The second coming of Jose Mourinho to Real Madrid. To Real Madrid, yes.
Well, the real deal. Is he the man?
It's a very good question you've asked. Rachel him said Yemihuno. Sir, Aiwe, Aye. Fabi Ankeye, Fabi so Enye. Now, Madrid in America.
Result 9 man, Jose Mourinho beat me their mom.
Ebia, onim, Ebia Mourinho. Bet me a means to probably stop Barca as a club. Ebia Jose Mourinho as a manager in a way. Ebe Bibi aje Primera Liga. Sa bragging right Barca enyan. Obetimi stop it mental block no Madrid mentality no obesesa no sa factors no definitely ebeba. But then Rich, the multi-million-dollar question here is, so obetimi do omaje Champions League because even oje Primera Liga. Enye no na Madrid and a best right o. On placing much paramount or value La Liga so. Madrid the topmost priority the Champions League. And Jose Mourinho eba Real Madrid no. Rich, when me at TV side no am far more. So yes, be oba no obetimi stop it Barca in a way. Be obetimi strategy bi ho. Rich, obeya masa odonaba. Short term. But in long term, no Mourinho now so besa bubu ni manso agu. One, the promised land nanka say Champions League no. Ebe dey say odo beje. And Rich, for now no trust you me. Zidane has set a standard there too. Only say Zidane had the standard aba beto Madrid say 3 Champions League trophies consecutively. Wajini nyina eti whoever mpa oba no edo kokoto at a very difficult position. Looking at what Zuzu did, sorry, and even Carlo Ancelotti so performance and rate, or also Edebai. And Mourinho said, "Oh, but just about the Primera Liga mpa. Now, stop it, Barca. Assassin, they will appreciate the fact that wait me, stop it, Barca. But then beyond that, no, so a season or 2, not Champions League title, Emma. No, me feel said the love lumpers or Mukopan, and also my Ebeba be issue. Ebedru baby in Tokwanin so the weird day ebesi. Because wait, Uni, Kennedy Bapilo ten. Sir, or who say opesa osisa ne ball bar, it would be an issue. What shall I say? Mbappe and track it back, or Mambe tackles near idea. It will get to a point I shall say be a befa. And also the issue beba. And he's the biggest star. It's definitely that one will be discussed. And for now, you name superstar cry or no sumpo bar or chai killing Mbappe. But say yes, I brought another superstar here. Now already Mbappe, any Vini issues now in Pokrano. And yeah, war handled that. Now another superstar, say Baba Bekan. You can imagine. Jude Bellingham on so England and so your darling boy back on so Rich or no Pokrano in a way air peeved. Oh, feel so oh yeah, enough playing time. Which and also will become an issue. So Mourinho, honestly speaking, in the short term, yes, a bebwa, but beyond the short term. Which honestly speaking, any issues beba ebesi and inevitable issues beba ebesi.
Oh, Real Madrid standard no. Expectations no strong.
Yes,
like you said, and we know Madrid no La Liga no or yeah, but and you said that
no La Liga so do. O dey stadium.
No number 1 priority.
Time no
Champions League. And then Capello League.
Yes.
But omo priority.
That's the point.
Understand. It who say Jose Mourinho second coming no. Short term, yes, baby be
supporters no team spirit. Supporters no.
Long term. The expectations are Madrid supporters war
Yes.
Taking Real Madrid back to the olden days.
That level, trust me.
No.
Only the honestly.
Also, I do cocoon.
Me envisage. I just had any say.
Mate. All right, Jude, no matter in can insurance of 4.5 for